morning, Cardinals. Welcome back to another great day at Ned Rose Elementary. Today is Friday, February 13th, 2026. No birthdays on the calendar today, but we did miss a couple this week when we haven't had announcements. On February 11th, we had Keelan and Jackson celebrating their birthdays, so hope you both had a great day. And tomorrow, February 14th, we have Holden celebrating his birthday. So Holden, happy birthday to you tomorrow. Speaking of tomorrow, February 14th, that means it is Valentine's Day tomorrow. We don't have school tomorrow, so I know that you all are celebrating today. So I'll tell you today, happy Valentine's Day. All right, lunch today is hot dish, hamburger hot dish with corn. Breakfast when we come back on Tuesday, because remember, we do not have school on Monday. Don't show up on Monday. Nobody will be here. I won't be here. So on Tuesday, we've got banana bread. Weather, 49 degrees for a high today. That's amazing. And it's supposed to stay pretty nice all weekend. Get out there and enjoy it, because there is a chance that come next Tuesday and Wednesday, we could be getting some snow, and then the temperatures will drop again for the rest of next week. So we will keep an eye on that weather. All right. It is Friday, so let's do a fun fact Friday. And today's fun fact, I am kind of tying this in. I know some of you have been working on money in your math classes. Okay, so today's fun fact is about money. Here's what it is. There are 293 ways to make change for $1 using standard US coins. And that includes pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, half dollars, and dollar coins. Okay, so that'd be one way, right? If you just use a dollar coin. So there are 293 different ways. There's a challenge for you from now until the end of the school year. I want somebody to take that challenge on. Somebody's going to come to me by the end of the school year and say, here you go, Mrs. Raymond. Here are the 293 different ways to make change for $1. Whew, I'd be mighty impressed. All right. Let's move on to our national days. On our national day calendar today, a couple significant events to talk about. We have got Abraham Lincoln being elected president of the United States on this day in 1861. Very notable president in the history of our country. And I thought some of you might enjoy this one. We've got a lot of basketball fans in our school. Frank Selby was the first and only NCAA Division I basketball player to score 100 points in one game. And that happened in 1954. And on the days that we're celebrating today, we've got Galentine's Day. You guys know of this one. This is the day before Valentine's Day, when we're encouraged, us as women, as gals, to just celebrate our friendships before we celebrate with our Valentines. It is also National Cheddar Day and National Tortellini Day, which is one of my favorite pastas. And one of my favorites, National No One Eats Alone Day. Okay, so this day is celebrated to encourage a positive initiative from a nonprofit aimed at creating lunchtime inclusion. So what does that mean? No one eats alone. Everybody has somebody to eat with. Okay, I know that most of our classes eat together as a class, but if you see somebody at a table all by themselves, join them today. Okay, National No One Eats Alone Day. So let's try to celebrate that one today. All right. Only other thing I've kind of got on our calendar today is it is the last weekend for our Kids Heart Challenge. Right now we have only 30 students enrolled, and we have 10 students who have completed Finn's mission. So this weekend is your last chance. If you have been doing that with the paper form and not only online, please make sure you bring back everything by Tuesday. All right. I think that is it. It's also the last morning for the book fair. So if you K3 students, if you guys brought money for the book fair, we'll call you up this morning. Last chance. All right, that is it. I hope everybody has a fantastic day. Remember to always show great cardinal character. You may go ahead and stand for the pledge.